Hey everyone, it's Alex from Hannemann Ironworks here, and today I'm going to be working on this Pauldron piece, and currently it's Sunday the 8th, and this video should be going up on Sunday the 8th, and well, it's my mom's birthday today, and I've been super slammed this past week. I switched jobs, so I've been working at both places, and so trying to alternate, and just getting a video recorded has been hard, but I do have some free time to work on this. So there may be a part 3 because I don't think I'll get done with this today. But hopefully this will be a video for today. And I know I didn't want to make a part 3, but I may have to make a part 3 just because of I'm so damn busy. This upcoming week I should have more free time, but I am having to deal with going to a mechanic. Skills USA meeting is starting because school started. Everything is getting back and just getting piled on top of me. So hopefully I can make a video for next time. And it's probably going to be a part 3 to this because I'm not sure I'll be able to finish this today before my parents get home and we go back out. Because I just got home from breakfast, which was amazing, and spent some time with my mom, but need to get this done. So come with me and we'll get as far as we can, but I'm not sure we'll get all the way. Alright, let's jump into it. Alright everyone, so the goal I'm going to be doing today, or at least what I want to be accomplished, is to actually get this gap kind of taken care of, because you can see how it looks kind of gross and nasty. So what I've done is actually I've gotten a hot glue gun. I've had this from a while ago, probably, I don't know, a bunch of years. It's old, but it works, and it's broken, so I can't set it down, so I have to set it down up here to keep, the hot thing from burning the bench. Otherwise, you get like a little tray or something and put it in, which is actually what I'll probably do. But I got a hot glue gun here, and I know this is totally unorthodox and never been done, or I mean, it might have been done, but it'll work just fine, and that means I don't have to go out to the store and buy, I was thinking about buying like a caulk or something to lay on the inside, but I think this will do the job just fine, and it's free for me, so that's the goal here. So I'm just plug it in, heat it up, let it sit, and the goal is to get the front to look good. I don't care too much about the back, but I'm going to lay a bead all the way along, and I'm going to smooth it out. Now I guess I'll need something to do that with, so I'll get me a dowel right here. It'll act as like a finger or something, so when it's laid out I can take this and make it look uniform by dragging it across, because you don't want to put your finger in hot glue, or at least I don't. I mean, you can do whatever you want, but I don't recommend it. So I'm gonna let this get hot. I'll be back with you guys, and I do have a couple extra sticks because I'm not sure how much I go through. I figure, I don't know, probably like 3 or 4 sticks to do this job. I have a bajillion, so I have as much as I want. So yeah, and I'll be back with you when it's ready. Alright guys, so now that it's hot and ready, it's time to put it on. So what I'm going to be starting with is I'm going to be coming in from the back, and since there's a gap here, the goal is to kind of get on both sides of it and merge together so it actually holds, because I'm fairly certain this will not bond to the metal. Yeah, so that's the goal at least. I'm going to be coming in from the back here, just trying to backfill it. That's one glue stick down. So move on to the second stick. Alright, so I'm learning from just using the dowel on the back side as this glue dries pretty fast. So I definitely am going to need to make sure to take care of the take care of wiping it when it's fresher. Alright, so it's definitely cooling down, or need to let it heat back up. So I'm just gonna take a scalpel. You can take kind of whatever you want as long as you got a sharp knife. Just kind of cut off the extra, because you'll see it leaves a little bit of a edge at the bottom that you definitely, at least I definitely don't want. Alright, so now that this glue gun should be hot again, I have up until there, laid out. I still have to gap this, so I think my goal is to actually get a whole bunch of it stuck into these to actually fill it out.
Very hot.
Definitely can't recommend touching it less anymore. It's hot, as it turns out. Alright, so you can see I got the big gaps filled. I got a bead running up to here, and this part looks a little sketchy, but I'll go right back over that. Alright guys, so I got, you can see, got hot glue all the way around the edge. I think it looks okay. This part over here doesn't look as great as this part, where it's all crystal clear, but I'm going to be taking a blowtorch and see if I can't get that to smoothen out, because it's heat reactive, so it should just kind of melt into like one uniform blob. I'm basing it off my TIG welding experience, which is almost zero. Not good at it. I suck at it, as it turns out. Yeah, so I'll try that. But the reason I talk about my TIG welding experience is because in state competitions, I'd only ever, for Skills USA and state competitions, I'd only ever TIG welded once, and it was on a different material than what we were given, and I was just struggling really hard with it. And so I figured out, if I just apply the rod, I can smooth it out and make it look better. And it looked like crap still. There's a lot of porosity in the welds, which if you guys don't weld much, it's all the little holes. It's a welding imperfection, basically. But yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. I'm trying to get all the crap off my dowel, because I can use it for other things than just hot glue. Obviously, I haven't pulled my hot glue gun out in years. But yeah, so blowtorch time. Alright, it unlocks. This one work? Nope. Yep. Now I'm going to be pulling it back a little bit, and I want to be able to see . I'll throw a respirator on. That smells awful. It probably isn't good for me, so I have to vent the garage. Alright guys. Oh, you guys can't hear me. Thumbs up. It totally worked the way I wanted it to. It's clear. And yeah, I think it looks a lot better. And I'm gonna go vent the garage now, because I couldn't tell you if it's toxic or not, and better safe than sorry, right? Alright guys, so like I was saying, I'm not sure if you could hear me very well, but as soon as I turned that blowtorch on and started hitting the glue, it started to smell pretty bad. I'm not sure if I was burning something in it and it just smelled bad. I'm not sure if it was toxic. I don't know, but what I do know is I threw a respirator on. I had this fan blowing back here. It always blows on me because the garage isn't air conditioned or nothing. It's hot out here, and so I opened the garage, kept the respirator on, all that jazz. You know, rather safe than sorry, right? No reason to die young. But as you can see, I did hot. Bad words, sorry. It's still hot. You can't see it, but it's hot. But you can see how that went from that really crappy looking, like almost chunky, like some of this like garbagey grossness. I just took a blowtorch, hit it all around, and made it look pretty. So I think that was a success. Very glad that worked out the way it did. I took a chance on, I'm like, maybe a blowtorch would work. Totally worked. Just a tip if you want to do it that way. Otherwise, if you use caulk, I'm sure it'd work a lot better because you can actually take your finger and do it like you would a wall, where you caulk it and you just take your finger, you wipe it along, and you leave that nice ridge. I didn't have anything necessarily finger shaped, so I ended up using a Sharpie to make it look better, and a dowel. Sharpie just got like chunky, like oh, dropped it. Just hot glue crap. But it wipes right off, doesn't bond to anything, and that's why I went on both sides of it, so it bonds together underneath, and it's got that ridge, so it's like this is the metal, this is the Pauldron, and the hot glue grips like that, so it shouldn't come off, unless you use a blowtorch. And even then it shouldn't come off, so stay hydrated. But yeah, so that's what it looks like right now. So I think it looks pretty cool. So that's where I'm gonna have to end it today. I did spend like a half hour out here doing this, and I have other stuff I need to get to today because it's Mom's birthday and everything. So I'm gonna say goodbye. Hopefully next time I should have one night this week where I can actually do something. So leave in the comments below. Do you want to see forging, or do you want to see me finish the pauldron? I would like to do either. I don't really care. I want to do one or two because my other nights are dedicated to work, Skills USA, work. That's the weekend. And I have to go to mechanics one night. So I could probably do the pauldron that night too. So we'll see. See if I can get a forging video and one made this week. Never know. Be busy, dude. Hopefully the week after, though. It's my birthday. 17th? My birthday, something like that. Yeah. My birthday's 17th. My golden birthday, which will be fun, because I'm not doing anything. But, so the week after, which is my birthday, yeah, I'm not really working. I'm only working that Sunday. So, I should have plenty of time to do something. Going to a football game Friday night. It's homecoming, which will be fun. But I should have that week to do a lot more blacksmithing and get back into it before the next week, which is Quad State, which will be a whole lot of fun. So, hope to see you guys there. I hope to see you guys all next week. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. On my camera it says about 30 minutes. I'll cut this down to hopefully 10 or less, because my last video went kind of long. But I hope to keep them under 15. So thanks for watching. I'm sorry this is the only progress that I got done today. It's the only time I have available, and I have to get to other things today, which is unfortunate for you guys. But I get to spend time with my mom. And yeah, so happy birthday, Mom, if you're watching, because you usually do. And see you guys in the next one. Bye. Oh, and subscribe, and like, and comment. I demand it of you. Thank you. See you guys later. Bye.